Example 2.18. From the given circuit, find the equivalent EMF of the combination. Then equivalent internal resistance, total current, potential difference across external resistance, potential difference across each cell. Now this is your diagram given. A resistance 10 ohm is connected across 4 batteries having 9 volt each and 0.1 ohm as internal resistance. All the 4 batteries are same and each one is having what 9 volt as their potential and 0.1 ohm as their internal resistance. Now we can go one by one. The first one is the equivalent EMF. Okay, so the equivalent EMF is given by the formula psi equivalent is equal to N into psi. Okay, so how many cells are there? 4 cells are there. So 4 into each one is having voltage of how much? 9. So it is how much? 36 volt. So this is the total EMF of the circuit. Okay. Second part, equivalent internal resistance. That is given by the formula R equivalent is equal to N into R. How many cells are there? 4. And 4 is having, each one is having was 0.1 ohm as the internal resistance. So what you can write? 4 into 0.1. That is 0.4 ohm. That is your R equivalent. The third thing what is asked in the problem is the total current. The total current, how to find out the total current is I is equal to N psi by R plus NR. This is the formula. Okay, for the cells connected in series. Okay, this is the formula for current for the cells connected in what? Series. So it is N psi. N psi value already we calculated, that is 36 divided by R value in the problem is 10. 10 plus NR value also we have calculated, that is 0.4. Now this can be written as 36 by 10.4. This can be 3.46 ampere. This is your total current. Now what is the fourth part is potential difference across each resistor. External resistance, potential difference across external resistance. Now what is the value of external resistance? 10 ohm. So V is equal to what? IR. So what is the value of I here? 3.46 into 10. So it is 34.6. But what is the total potential in the circuit? The total potential in the circuit is 36 volt according to the equivalent EMF formula. That is 36 volt. So here it is potential difference across each external resistance is how much? 34.6. What happened to the remaining? 34 minus 36 minus 34.6. That is 1.4. That is dropped across the internal resistance. So 1.4 volt is dropped across what? Internal resistance. The last part is potential difference across each cell. So what is the total potential? V. How many cells are there? 4 cells are there. So that is 34.6 divided by 4. Okay, this is the total potential there. So that is 34.6 divided by 4, that is 8.65 volt. So this is the potential difference across each cell.